If you have a frozen turkey that needs defrosting, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 2 safe ways to defrost your turkey. One way if you have time on your side, and the other way if you don't and need your turkey defrosted quickly. Plus, I'll also show you how to tell when your turkey is fully defrosted so you can take out the guesswork. If time is on your side, the easiest way to defrost your turkey is simply in the fridge. Not just anywhere though. You need to make sure you put it inside a tray. This will collect the juices when it's defrosting, and make sure it's covered or still in the packaging, and put it at the bottom of your fridge. Now, raw meat should always go at the bottom of your fridge. This helps prevent the risk of cross-contamination of bacteria to other foods. So it might mean clearing out some space, but it is much safer to remove foods that don't really need to be kept in the fridge, like your veg, so you can keep the turkey in it instead. Now, you do need to have time on your side for this method, because you will need to allow 12 hours per kilogram for it to defrost, which means it could take as much as 4 days to defrost an average 6.5 kilogram turkey in the fridge. Even this small 3.5 kilogram turkey needs nearly 2 full days to defrost in the fridge. And don't forget, you want to aim for it to be defrosted by Christmas Eve. Frozen food should be cooked within 24 hours of it being fully defrosted. So if you aim for Christmas Eve, this means you have time to help speed up the defrosting if you need to, and also time on Christmas Eve to get it prepped, ready for cooking. But of course, if time isn't on your side, you might be looking for a quicker way to defrost your turkey. And this is where my go-to method of defrosting comes in: cold water. Now, providing you use cold water, not hot, not lukewarm, cold, this is still a safe way to defrost your turkey, because it means that you are still keeping the turkey cold whilst you defrost it. Now, in the fridge, you need to allow 12 hours per kilogram. For cold water, you only need to allow 1 hour for every 1 kilogram of turkey. So much quicker. Although there are a few things you need to do if you're planning on defrosting in cold water. So firstly, leave the turkey in its packaging. You want it to be fully sealed. You don't want juices from the turkey get out, and you also don't want water to get in. Then grab a container big enough to fit your turkey. I'd avoid using the sink if you can, as you won't be able to use it whilst you're defrosting. But if that's your only option, then just make sure you do it at a time of day when you're not going to be using the kitchen, and you make sure you sanitize the sink afterwards. Then just pop your sealed turkey in the container and fill it up with cold water. Again, cold, don't be tempted to use warm. Your turkey will probably rise like this, so you can weigh it down using something heavy so that it stays fully immersed. I've just grabbed another tray and I've filled that up with water so it's got some weight behind it as well. Then you just need to change the water every 30 minutes. After about 4 hours, you can then move your turkey back to the fridge until you're ready to cook it. Okay, so regardless of whether you've defrosted your turkey in the fridge or in cold water for a few hours, here's how you can tell that your turkey is fully defrosted. So the body should feel soft, the legs can be moved, and there should be no ice crystals in the cavity. So the whole point of defrosting your turkey before cooking it is to make sure that the turkey cooks evenly. Otherwise, you risk only the outside of the turkey being cooked whilst the center remains raw. But when it comes to defrosting, there's one place I'll tell you not to defrost your turkey, and that's at room temperature. So when you defrost at room temperature, you risk the outside of the meat becoming warm and entering the danger zone, which is where bacteria multiply rapidly, whilst the middle still remains frozen. And there you go. Once your turkey is fully defrosted, it can be prepped, not stuffed, and cooked within 24 hours. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because in the next few videos, we'll be going through how to prep, cook, how to make sure it's cooked, as well as how to carve your turkey, so you don't want to miss it.